Oh.
Hi, honey.
Feed Harley your Cheerios. Harley wants some of your Cheerios.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Say hi, Dada.
Did you enjoy seeing Santa today? Not so much, did you? He was scary looking.
No, you didn't like him. You gonna give Harley some of your Cheerios? Harley wants some. Hi! What about Harley?
Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
Harley.
Hi, honey. Hi.
Where's your doggy? Who's this?
You gotta give Harley some.
She didn't do it for me either in that video. Harley, come here. Come here. Okay, Sophia, give Harley some.
Sophia, you're hogging all your own treats.
What about Harley? Let's turn it off.
Just.
She's not gonna.
She's not gonna do it. Alright.